Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suresh Kumar. Let's start with today's video. In today's video, we are going to see 10 plus Coursera premium courses for free of cost. You can enroll into these courses for free of cost, and all the URL links has been provided in the description of the video, and you have to enroll into these courses before Jan 31st 2021, and the discount applied at the checkout. And let's begin with the first course, problem solving using computational thinking. This course is designed for anyone who is just beginning programming, is thinking about programming, or simply wants to understand new way of thinking about problems critically. You will learn about computational thinking components including abstraction, problem identification, decomposition, pattern recognition, algorithms, and evaluating solutions. And this course is beginner level, and the duration of course is about 11 hours. To complete the course, you can earn a shareable certificate in social networking sites like LinkedIn and many more upon completion of this course, and it is a beginner level course. You can check out the course syllabus for each week, which has been categorized into different modules, and you can enroll into this course by clicking the enroll button, and the coupon is applied at checkout. Let's go with the next course. The next course is about William Shakespeare 12th Night, Comedy, Conflict and Cunning. This course is about 5 weeks long and 25 hours plus of worth of material and lectures. And this course introduces and explores William Shakespeare classic comedy 12th Night, and it is for Shakespeare enthusiasts, actors, theatre practitioners, and teachers of Shakespeare everywhere, and for college students who are interested to get to know about William Shakespeare. And you can check the course content of the syllabus for each week's, which is categorized into different modules, and you can enroll into these courses by clicking the enroll button here, and you have to enroll into these courses before Jan 31st 2021. And the next course is about foundations of mindfulness. In this course is about also 4 weeks long and 16 hours worth of material and lectures. You can earn a certificate upon completion. You can be able to get to know about broad overview of fundamental concepts, principles and practices of mindfulness, authenticity and ease. Featured components of course include experiential exercises, guided meditations, personal reflection and interactive discussions. And this course is about 16 hours to complete, and you can check on the course content, the syllabus here, and you can enroll into these courses by clicking the enroll button here. And the next course is for music for wellness. This course is for music lovers who love music and listen to music all the time, and maybe you sing, play an instrument or compose music. You will learn not only how to listen to music in any way, but also how to listen to the impact that music has on you. And they happen like music for creativity, music for comfort, music for awakening, music for you. So they have categorized different modules for each week to get to know about music for wellness, and it is about 11 hours duration of course. Upon completion of the course, you can able to get a shareable certificate, and it is a beginner level course. You can check the course content here. For 4 weeks they have divided in for different modules. You can enroll into this course by clicking the enroll button here. All the course URL links has been provided in the description of the video. The next course is about statistics with SAS, and this is one of the statistics and probability concepts we are going to use in SAS software, and it is very useful for machine learning data scientists who are enthusiasts and keen to learn about these topics. In this introductory course, they are going to perform statistical analysis using SAS software, and they will be focusing on t-test, ANOVA, linear regression, and includes a brief introduction about logistic regression as well. This course content is about 5 weeks long and 9 hours per week duration, and it is approximately 21 hours duration for all the weeks, including all the modules. You can check the course content here, and you can enroll into the course by clicking the enroll button. Next course is about fundamentals of financial and management accounting. In this course, it's an introductory course on financial and management. The first part of course will introduce basic accounting principles and accounting terminology to understand how company keep controls of financial events, and it also provides basis of management accounting, introducing some techniques like NPV, break-even analysis. You can understand practical applications of basic accounting principles and many more things. The course duration is about 5 weeks long and approximately 12 hours. To complete the course, you can earn a certificate upon completion. You can check the course syllabus upon weekly basis. They have scheduled for each module, and you can enroll into this course for free of cost by clicking the button enroll for free, and try to enroll to these courses before Jan 31st, 2021. The next course is about security and C for big data. What? This course about regarding security in big data environments. By the end of the course, you will be able to ready to plan your next big data project successfully, ensuring that all security related issues are under control. And this course is very helpful for data scientists, machine learning engineers, deep learning engineers, and who are interested to get to know about big data and security. And this course is about 1 week and 1 month to complete, and you can earn a certificate upon completion. And you can enroll into this course by clicking the enroll button here. And the next course is about how to build and successful business. In this course, you will get to know about a startup is a newly open company that requires financial resource aid for its further development. How to build a successful business model where one can find additional resources and investors. And upon completion of this course, learners will be well versed in the system of financial and efficiency indexes of project and evaluation of project attractiveness index. And this course is about 6 weeks long, 13 hours of material, and it is for beginner levels. And it also goes content where which has been scheduled for weekly basis. And you can enroll into this course by clicking the enroll button here. All the URL links for these courses has been added to the video description box. Kindly check for the video description to enroll into this course. The next course is about designing your personal weight loss plan. This course is about 5-week course will guide learners through essential steps in planning on individualized weight loss program. In this course, it will help learners establish a realistic goal weight with specific plan for rate of weight loss, and who are looking for weight loss, they can enroll into these courses. And the course duration is about 11 hours to complete, and it is for beginner levels. You can check the course content here, and you can enroll into these courses by clicking the enroll now button here. And the next course is about this course is for biology background candidates. Why is DNA called blueprint of life? What is DNA fingerprint? How do scientists clone DNA? Is it possible to revive dinosaurs by cloning their DNA, and many more things you can able to learn in this course. And it is about 4 weeks long and 22 hours of worth of material.